Hi! If you're new here, I'm Scovia and welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always simple, amazing and delicious. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make blueberry muffins, and it's going to be moist, fluffy and very delicious. So stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing recipe. So let's get started. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box in their right quantities, together with some of my videos. So go and check them out. So here I have flour, sugar, milk, baking powder, salt, 1 egg, fresh blueberries and cooking oil. That is all. Not forgetting vanilla. That is all. That is all I'm going to be using for this recipe. So check the description box for the quantities. So in my bowl, I'm going to add flour. Then next, I'm going to add baking powder, salt, and sugar. Then I'm going to use my whisk and mix together all the ingredients to combine. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line your muffin tin with muffin cups as I'm showing you. That is going to help you when you finish making the batter. You're just going to put the batter straight into the cups. Yeah. So I'm going to put this aside, and then in this small bowl, I'm going to add my egg. I'm using the free range eggs. Then I'm going to add milk. Add oil. Then I'm going to use my fork and whisk together all the ingredients. These are the wet ingredients. Add vanilla. Once everything is combined like this, we're going to put this aside. Then I'm going to pick my dry ingredients. Next step is to add the wet ingredients into the dry. This smells so amazing. Put this aside, and then I'm going to mix the wet ingredients with the dry. Once everything is combined, just like this, you see the batter is smooth. And also make sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl so that everything can be well combined. You can also double up the amount of ingredients and make even more muffins, because I know you're definitely going to love this recipe. So if you're intending to make the muffins for brunch or breakfast, just double up and you'll get awesome results. I'm done mixing my butter, and as you can see, the butter is smooth, silky, and it doesn't have any lumps, and it's smelling amazing. Let's not forget that. So now I'm going to add the blueberries in the butter. And before I add the blueberries in the butter, I'm going to dust my blueberries with flour, a little bit of flour, so that they don't sink to the bottom of the muffin cups. That is a very good tip. So I'm going to add a little bit of flour. Just like that, and then I'm going to shake around so that they can be coated in the flour. Just a simple tip. Once every blueberry is coated with the flour, I'm going to move to my batter and add the blueberries. Fold in Once you're done folding in, I'm going to pick my muffin tin, and then I'm going to use a cookie scoop and scoop out the butter into the tins. That is very that is very easy. If you don't have the cookie scoop, you can use a measuring cup and scoop out the butter into the tin, the quarter one. Yeah, this is going to make sure that the butter is evenly distributed in the tin. Once I'm done adding the butter into the muffin cups, I'm going to bake my cake for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. My oven is already preheated, so it's just baking. I love how my muffins turned out, and I love the color from the outside. You can notice all the juices from the blueberries oozing, and oh my god, they smell so good. So I hope you try out the recipe and make for your family these amazing blueberry muffins, and I'm surely going to tell you they're going to love the muffins. So thank you so much, and catch you on my next one. Bye.